Hello, welcome to Bias. First off, you should know that bias is really connected to pathos, ethos, and logos, as well as author, audience, and purpose, and as well as logical fallacies. Everything we've learned so far. So, for example, in this video, you should have noticed how all of these things connected, but it's also biased. How is it biased? Well, it's biased because clearly Allstate thinks that one, we all use GPSs. Two, we all need insurance and need Allstate, and Allstate is better. Allstate is clearly biased towards Allstate. So, definition of bias. Something is biased if it only presents one side of an issue or downplays the other side. Bias can be based on race, gender, age, or sexual orientation and can be used in negative ways. For example, a website may only present a single perspective. Biased information may attack others instead of presenting facts and allowing people to make up their minds. How could bias be negative? Well, bias could be negative. For example, if you are on Netflix and you see a Netflix original and you're like, oh, shoot, it's probably going to be just as bad as all the other Netflix originals I've seen. So that's negative bias. Or it could be positive bias. For example, again, you're on Netflix and you see Finding Dory. Well, that's on Disney Plus. We're going to Disney Plus. You're on Disney Plus and you see that Finding Dory is on Disney Plus and you really liked Finding Nemo. So therefore, Finding Dory will probably be good. That's positive bias. But this can also apply to people. So you judge people based on how they look and the way they dress. Why do you think some people spend so much time getting ready in the morning? That's because they know this. They know first impressions are a thing. So, next you're going to actually watch a YouTube video about prison and figure out how is the prison video biased.